Namaskaram. This is CA Himakant Andavarapu from Him Academy, and this is the next update for all our mentees who have been stuck at various points and who have a lot of questions in their mind. And this is a clarificatory video before we proceed ahead. In the first 1 week, you might be asked to write index of all the chapters. I believe most of you are done with the task, and people who have joined today and yesterday are expected to complete this at the earliest possible time. And after that, you are asked to write 4 papers of ICAI November or May as applicable to you. And apart from this, you were asked to go through a set of RTPs and circumstances. This would be slightly different for different people. So this is only to condition your mind before we go to the next step. And what exactly is the next step? We have asked 80 to 90% of the mentees to go ahead and complete one particular paper entirely before the end of this month. The reason why I mentioned that is, now you are stuck with various thoughts. The biggest problem which you are having right now is not time, because you have X amount of time, and time is the only available resource during this COVID season. So you just cannot say that you don't have time unless you are working full time, except that not many of you can give time as an excuse. So what exactly is bothering you? You have already wrote this exam 4 to 5 times, or some of you even more. You already have a decent understanding of a subject. There could be slight conceptual clarity missing here and there, but in spite of you being at a comfortable position, what is it stopping you from going ahead and completing your syllabus according to the schedule? If I have to give an honest answer about this, the answer is you are stopping yourself. You are stopping yourself with something in your mind, with some amount of thoughts. And if I have to question what's happening, most of you are clueless. You're saying you wanted to study, you're opening your books, but something is distracting you. The reasons keep changing, but something is distracting you. So how exactly should you overcome this? Now, if you look at this guy at the background, so I'll just play it for you for 30 seconds.
Just study. Turn his salary, which even in the
So he's mentioning about a upcoming money heist at the Royal Mint of Spain. If you are following this, the question is, one of his associates would be asking, why should we spend 5 months in planning for a robbery or for a heist? So he explains, people spend years and years at school and college trying to get a simple job. So for something as big as this, they're targeting 260 billion euros. For something as big as this, you should be doing a lot more than what is happening otherwise. Similarly, if you have a qualification, which is life changing and which is actually changing the status of you financially, economically, and even in terms of societal respect, if it can bring back everything you have lost, imagine what can you invest into this. There should not be anything which stops you. There should not be anything which should be pulling you back. Now we are boiled down to the last 2 months. If 2 months can change the rest 20 years of your life, if 2 months can change the rest 20 years of your life, whatever has happened has happened, and whatever is going to happen will happen at some point of time. We are not worried about both. Now we have present. I'm talking about 2 months. So let's freeze this 2 months. Just lock this 2 months. Let's not get carried away with everything our brain thinks, because our mind is like a monkey. It keeps on thinking. Let's not get carried away with this thought process. It pulls you. Now you just have to be stable. You just have to stay strong. You need to sit on your ground, and you need to take a strong and firm position. Your mind needs to understand this part of it. You need to take a very strong and firm position. Once you take this, the amount of disturbance which you get by your distractions will change. The amount of disturbance which you will get by your distractions will change. So over a period of time, you will be less distracted and you will be far less disturbed than what is happening right now. But till you get to that point, you have to continue. You have to sit and you have to go ahead and make sure you stick to your schedule with tight deadlines. This is important. And please understand that if some problem is bothering you since the last 2 years, 3 years, don't expect it to be solved in 2 days or 3 days. Don't expect some magic to happen. That's I hope most of you who are thinking in those lines, just think it in a very straight line. If something is bothering you since 2 years, give it 2 months at least. Give it 2 months. It's not that easy. but we are in the right direction. The biggest advantage of being a part of this mentorship program is you are in the right direction. So stick to the instructions. I know that it is difficult to happen. Even if something is not happening, fight harder. Don't stop at each and every point. Okay, if it is not happening, take a break, come back and start studying once again. Keep fighting. That's how you fight virus, right? Even in your fever, when something enters you, when a biological thing enters your body, your antibodies keep fighting. They'll keep fighting until the virus dies. This is how it should happen. You should keep the fight on. Nothing should stop you from studying. Although it is difficult, although it creates some level of inconvenience, it's okay to go ahead and study. The second aspect being, you'll get a full-on intensive program for the entire month of May and June. June I'll give you later based on the performance in the May. You will have a detailed plan for the entire May, starting from May 1st to May 31st for each and every slot. We have divided into 3 slots, as I mentioned you, 9 to 12, 2 to 5 and 6:30 to 8:30. So you will get what has to be studied. But before I give you, there are certain things which are pending from your side. I'm waiting for you to respond. So based on that, you will be getting those individual schedules. Okay, some of you have already got it. The rest of you will get it before 28th of April, in the next 3-4 days maximum, so that you will be able to know what is going to happen in April, in May. But before that, I strongly suggest you to complete one full subject, and don't give me reasons like it is boring. Don't bring me reasons that, see, understand this. It is difficult, and it is meant to be difficult. It was never meant to be easy. So have that minimum level of maturity. Don't talk like a school kid, like I don't want to do this. That's not how it works. You should stick to that. You should go ahead and do no matter what it takes. And the specific issues, people who have followed this, who have been following that 5 minutes, every 55 minutes you have to take a break of 5 minutes to revise. At the end of the day, you have to revise the same topics for 30 minutes, and tomorrow morning you have to revise it once again. People who have been following this religiously have mentioned that it has worked wonders for you. You are able to remember a lot better. The stress of forgetting has reduced drastically. So I'll be giving you more inputs, but you have to implement it. I'm not going to dump you with a lot of gyan which will be used for nothing. The game is all about implementation. Your 10th tip will come only after you implement the first 9 tips. Your 5th tip will come only after you implement the first 4 tips. Otherwise, you will have only 4 tips and you have to survive with that. Okay, so the game is all about phased wise implementation. You reach this level, then you can go there. Just because the game has 50 stages, it's not automatic. You have to move from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is how it works. Okay, so be patient, don't get restless, and stick to the schedule how we have been providing it. And most of you, I'm glad that you are giving me all the concerns which you are facing. I'm getting back to you at the earliest possible. And if you miss out any of this updates or something, you can always have a look at our channel, Him Talks. You can subscribe to that. So we'll update all the videos over there also, so that some of you might not be on WhatsApp, some of you might not be receiving because of your settings, because we send a broadcast message generally. So this would be the second phase where we'll be starting in May. So before that, solve all the issues. Anything else, you can reach out to me. Hope this helps. Thank you. Namaskaram. Welcome back to Him Talks. How exactly an additional qualification would help? Sir, we are talking about CA, Sudhakar Rao Garu, who has got a mechanical engineering degree.
The problem is they are unable to talk.
How does your typical day look like? First of all, the conference has been a huge turnout.